Connected products are devices that communicate and interact with other systems, often through the internet, to deliver enhanced functionality and convenience. At the heart of these products lies the integration of hardware, firmware, and cloud services. Hardware forms the physical foundation, while firmware acts as the bridge between the device and its software capabilities. Cloud services enable remote access, data storage, and real-time updates, allowing users to interact with their devices from anywhere. By tightly integrating these components, manufacturers can create seamless user experiences, ensuring reliability, responsiveness, and continuous improvement. This holistic approach is essential for meeting modern expectations and unlocking the full potential of connected technology. Embedded systems are specialized computing units designed to perform dedicated functions within larger devices. At the core of these systems, hardware components such as sensors, processors, and communication modules provide the physical means for data collection and processing. Firmware acts as the intermediary software layer, directly controlling and coordinating the hardware's operations. Through carefully designed firmware architecture, embedded systems can efficiently manage device functionality, ensuring tasks are executed reliably and in real time. Data collected from sensors is processed and interpreted by the firmware, which then communicates relevant information to other system components or external networks. This seamless interaction between hardware and firmware enables devices to operate autonomously, respond to user inputs, and exchange data with other devices or cloud services. Ultimately, the integration of embedded systems, hardware, and firmware forms the backbone of modern smart devices and connected technologies. Back-end cloud services play a crucial role in the ecosystem of connected products. They manage vast amounts of device data, securely storing and processing information sent from devices in the field. These services also facilitate remote updates, allowing manufacturers to deploy new features, security patches, and performance improvements without requiring physical access to the devices. By leveraging scalable cloud infrastructure, back-end services ensure that connectivity remains reliable and efficient as the number of connected devices grows. This scalability supports seamless communication between devices and applications, enabling real-time monitoring, analytics, and control. Ultimately, back-end cloud services provide the foundation for flexible, secure, and future-proof connected product experiences. Designing robust, secure, and maintainable connected products requires a holistic approach to integrating hardware, firmware, and cloud systems. Begin by selecting reliable hardware components that support secure communication protocols and can be updated as needed. Firmware should be developed with modularity and error handling in mind, allowing for remote updates and minimizing vulnerabilities. Cloud systems must employ strong authentication, data encryption, and scalable infrastructure to protect user information and ensure consistent performance. Regular testing across all layers helps identify potential weaknesses early. Clear documentation and standardized interfaces further simplify maintenance and future enhancements. By prioritizing security, reliability, and adaptability at every stage, connected products can deliver lasting value and resilience in a rapidly evolving technological landscape.